Alright, so in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how comparison operators work in Python. So first, I created a variable a equal input, enter first number. So the users can enter a number, then b equal input, enter the second number. This allows the program to compare any numbers the user types in. Then next is we're going to print. The result in comparison operators is either true or false. So now let's use comparison operators. First is equals to sign. Checks if both variables are equal. If two variables are equal. Then next is we're going to print. Then next is we're going to use exclamation mark equal. Checks if they are not equal. If two variables are not equal. Next is A is greater than B if the left value is greater than the right. Then less than if the left value is less than the right. Then greater equal to checks if it's greater than or equal to. Greater equal to sign pala. Then less than or equal to, check if it's less than or equal to. So now when I run the program in input numbers, for example both 5, then second number is 5. As you can see, that's the result. So the result is either true or false depending on the comparison we use. So as you can see, A is equals to B, which is true. Both are 5 then. So now let's try two different numbers. So first number is 10 and then second number is 6. As you can see, the result this time is different. A has the value of 10 and B has the value of 6. So 10 is not equals to 6, which is false. Then 10 is not equal to 6, which is false na naman. Then 10 is greater than B, which is true. Then A 10 is less than 6, which is false. Then 10 is greater than or equal to 6, which is true. And 10 is less than or equal to 6, which is false. So that's how comparison operators work in Python.